The phrase be used to something means be accustomed to something. It's not about your habits or repeated actions. It's about being accustomed to something. If you are not sure what accustomed means, check out in a dictionary. Use Google Translator or something. It's very important that you understand what it means. I am not used to New York subway system yet. I just moved here from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm not used to New York subway system, meaning I am not accustomed to New York subway system. It still feels unfamiliar. Or we can use a gerund instead of a noun. At first, I hated it, but now I am used to eating vegan food, meaning that before I hated eating vegan food when I started. I was not accustomed to eating vegan food in the past. Now, I am accustomed to eating vegan food. At first, I was not used to eating vegan food, and I hated it. But now, I am used to eating it. Now, I am accustomed to it. Our professor has a very rough voice. I am not used to it yet, and I jump every time I hear him. Our professor has a very rough voice. Jack is not used to hearing his voice. Jack is not accustomed to his voice, and he jumps every time he hears it. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more useful grammar tips and tricks.